Hello, my name is Todd. I'm pleased to announce about a new feature we have in Kickserv. We are going to track email bounces now so you can get notified of any bounced email. That way you can get the correct email address in the system and resend. Bounced emails happen for many reasons, often because of a typo in the email address, or in some cases it's just the wrong email. So now we will be notifying you of that when it occurs and give you steps to resolve the situation. So in this case, I have an estimate that I'm going to be emailing. When I email the estimate, I've typed in fred@toddeckles.com. Once I clicked email estimate, a couple things will occur. First, there'll be an actual bounce notification here showing that this email did not go through. It'll say that we sent it at 6:39, and a couple minutes later we got a bounce notification from our email server saying it did not go through. This email activity will be located up in your settings, right underneath recent activity. What's going to happen is you're going to get an email notifying you of this bounce. Here is the actual notification. It's going to say that an email with a subject, estimate from, and then your company name, to this email address that it bounced. You'll see the time and the date that it bounced. And what type of bounce. So in this case it was a hard bounce, which meant the mailbox was not there. If it's a message that's in transient, which is another type of bounce, where they just were unable to send the email, that had network troubles, it simply could mean that you just need to reactivate the email address of which you would click on this link to do so. And I'll show you how that works. So back here on the email activity, you're going to see that you're going to have the choice to click on the link for the email address or the link to the job. If you're going to click on the link here for the email address, means you've verified this is a correct email address. You will want to click on the link and actually reactivate the email. By doing so, you'll get this message. Email address is reactivated. Please click the link under the email column and try sending the email again. In this case, I do know that fred@toddeckles.com, when I talk to them, is the wrong email. It's supposed to be todd@toddeckles.com. So I go into the email, and I go to estimate again, and I go ahead and click email, and then email the actual customer the invoice by changing the email address to todd@toddeckles.com. Once notification here where it shows that, oh, it was successfully sent. So now you will be able to see when you've successfully sent emails and when they have not been gone, or they have not gone through. You can use our search up here to look for specific emails. Just by typing in Joe, it filtered down to just this email. We hope you enjoy this new feature.